are you?
Absolutely wonderful. Wondering, how are you?
The way better I deserve. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am.
You are very lucky because you have been registered as a FAM student. Let me introduce FAM School. Right now, you are looking at one of the best, most spectacular schools in the whole region. Welcome to FAM School.
Do you have a lab?
Of course. Come take a look. So we have a professional lab that we study science with the needs.
I would love to learn and play the violin. Do you have a music room?
Come this way. Oh look, and here's a violin for you. You can play it.
Thanks. Can you guide me to play it, please?
Of course.
I heard you have a kung fu room. I'm eager to see it.
Hurry up, let's go. Come on, have a fist. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
I'm not good using the computer. Do you think that I can learn?
Of course, no doubt, right this way. We study computer programs on computer, for example, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and etc.
I would like to see what art room.
Come, let me guide you.
My mom asked me to read more books. Do you have a library?
Yeah, of course we do. I suggest these books for you. They're really good and learnful. I've read them before.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm sorry, my last question. Where's your stadium?
Follow me. This is our stadium. We play many fun games here. By the way, are you a Lionel Messi's fan?
No, I don't like Messi. I like Ronaldo.
Here, English is our first language, and we make sure that your children have the best time and tons of fun the moment they walk in. Walking into FAM is like walking into a future. Don't imagine, come and see greatness.